High-frequency trading, or HFT, operates at the bleeding edge of technology, where market events unfold and trades execute in mere microseconds. Today, we're diving deep into the architecture that makes this millisecond race possible. At its core, HFT is about automated trading with extreme speed and precision. These systems exploit tiny, fleeting market inefficiencies, relying heavily on custom hardware and physical proximity to exchanges. Latency is measured in microseconds, not milliseconds, making every design choice critical. To compete, an HFT system typically targets a round-trip latency of 5 microseconds or less. This includes receiving market data, making a decision, sending an order, and getting an acknowledgment back from the exchange. It's a staggering engineering challenge. High-frequency trading systems are a masterclass in low-latency engineering, where every microsecond counts. The entire round trip from market data receipt to order submission and confirmation can happen faster than a blink of an eye. Let's walk through the critical path of a modern HFT setup, showing how an order is placed in response to market changes. Every component is optimized for speed, often running on custom hardware and operating systems tuned for predictability. When it comes to executing strategies, HFT firms often choose between FPGAs and CPUs. FPGAs offer hardwired, deterministic logic for specific tasks, providing ultra-low latency and parallel processing at the hardware level, ideal for decoding or simple strategies. However, they come with high initial development costs. CPUs, while more flexible and easier to program, offer general-purpose instruction execution and are better suited for complex algorithms and overall risk management, with a lower development cost and faster iteration cycles. Beyond software and hardware, physical infrastructure is paramount. HFT firms co-locate their servers directly inside exchange data centers to minimize geographical distance. They often lease dark fiber, which are direct, dedicated fiber optic links, for unparalleled network speed. Precision Time Protocol, or PTP, synchronizes system clocks for accurate timestamping across the entire distributed system. Finally, kernel bypass techniques like Solarflare's open onload allow applications to access network hardware directly, bypassing the operating system's slower network stack. Beyond the core trading loop, a comprehensive HFT system involves a vast backend infrastructure. Raw market data and trade executions are continuously recorded for post-trade analysis and compliance. This historical data fuels sophisticated backtesting engines to validate and optimize trading strategies. Real-time risk management systems ingest trade metrics to monitor overall exposure, while human traders oversee operations through dashboards, ready for manual intervention and strategic oversight. Mastering systems like these requires a deep dive into every layer of the stack. If you enjoyed this look inside high-frequency trading, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more system design deep dives.